Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to access age-restricted Discord servers. If you want to turn on or access age restriction on Discord but don't know how, I'll show you the easiest way. First, open Discord. On the upper left corner, you'll see the three-line menu icon, click on that. Once you're there, you'll see 5 options at the bottom. Tap on your profile icon, the one that looks like an emoji. Now you'll see many settings. Go to Privacy and Safety. Scroll down a little and you'll find the option Allow access to age-restricted content from apps in direct messages. Turn this on and you'll be able to allow people 18 plus to access content as age-restricted in DMs. That's it. That's how to access age-restricted Discord servers. If you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.